So we're out and about today having a look at the work that's going on the CVL. We're just north of Mountain Ash Station here, and there's lots of work both going on in terms of track work, but also in terms of OLE. As you can see behind me, lots of work getting the final touches to the OLE in this section to allow for wire runs. Obviously, this work is really important, and without it, we can't deliver the metro that's to come in the future. But I'm really well aware that this is a very difficult time for those of you who use our services on a daily basis. We've got a lot of buses out that are running people around, and I know that's deeply frustrating. So thank you very much for bearing with us as we transform the track in this area to allow us to deliver the metro.